Today, let us look at a pair of linear equations in two variables. In the last lesson, we looked at the linear equation 2x plus y plus 6 equals 0. To plot the straight line, we drew a table for x and y coordinates and we put some values for the variable x. And substituting that value for x in the equation, we found out the corresponding value for the y variable. And then we plotted these points on the Cartesian plane to obtain the straight line 2x plus y plus 6 equals 0. Now let us take another such equation in two variables. Let us take y minus x minus 2 equals 0. Once again, let us draw the table for x and y coordinates and put random values for x and find the corresponding values for y. Let us plot these points on the Cartesian plane. We see that these two lines intersect at a point. Let us take another line. Let us take 2x plus y plus 1 equals 0. Once again, let us put values for x and find corresponding values for y. And plot these points. This time, we see that the pair of linear equations are parallel to each other, or the two straight lines are parallel to each other. Let us look at another equation. Let us take 4x plus 2y plus 12 equals 0 and repeat the process of taking values for x and finding corresponding values for y. And plotting these points. Oh, interesting. This time, the two lines coincide. So when we are looking at a pair of linear equations in two variables, there are three possibilities. One, where the two straight lines intersect. There is something special about this point of intersection that we'll see in the next classes. Another, where the two straight lines are parallel. Note that the coefficients of x and y variable are the same here for parallel lines. And there is a third possibility where the two lines coincide. Here you can see that one of the equations is a multiple of the other. In short, they represent the same line. Let us look at a few problems. Two rails are represented by the equations x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0. Represent this situation geometrically. So let us write down our two equations. Let us rearrange the terms to find out the value of y in terms of x. So the first equation gives us y equals 4 minus x by 2. And the second equation gives us y equals 6 minus x by 2. Now let us draw our table for x and y coordinates for the first equation. Let us put x equals 0 and x equals 1. Let us do a similar exercise for the second equation. We put x equals 0 and get y equals 3. We put x equals 2 and we get y equals 2. Let us plot these points on the Cartesian plane. So let us plot the points for the first equation. Let us draw the line passing through these 2 points and label it as x plus 2y minus 4 equals 0. Similarly, let us plot the points for the second equation and label the line as 2x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0. Let us look at another problem. Shivi's father tells her, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically. So let us read the first statement. 7 years ago, Shivi's father was 7 times as old as Shivi. So we can write father's age equals 7 times Shivi's age. Now since this is 7 years ago, we need to subtract 7 from both their ages. So we get father's age minus 7 equals 7 times Shivi's age minus 7. Let us park this statement. Now let us look at the next statement. 3 years from now, Shivi's father would be thrice as old as Shivi. So we can write father's age equals 3 times Shivi's age. Now since this is 3 years from now, we need to add 3 years to both their ages. So we could write father's age plus 3 equals 3 times Shivi's age plus 3. Let us park this statement as well. Now, to make these statements concise, let us write y instead of father's age. And let us write x instead of Shivi's age. And that gives us the algebraic representation of the given problem. Let us look at another problem. Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils and 3 erasers for 9 rupees. Her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought 4 pencils and 6 erasers of the same kind for 18 rupees. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Alright, let us look at the first statement. It says 2 pencils and 3 erasers for 9 rupees. So let us shorten this statement and write 2p plus 3e equals 9. Now the second statement says 4 pencils and 6 erasers for 18 rupees. So we could write 4p plus 6e equals 18. Now since we have to show this graphically, we would like to represent this in terms of x and y variables. So we get 2y plus 3x equals 9 and 4y plus 6x equals 18. From the first equation, we could rearrange the terms to say that y equals 9 minus 3x divided by 2. It is interesting to note that the second equation is actually a multiple of the first equation, and it also leads to the same value for y. So let us draw just one table for both these equations. Putting x equals 0, we get y equals 4.5, and putting x equals 1, we get y equals 3. Let us plot these 2 points on the Cartesian plane. Let us join these points and draw a line. Please note the 2 arrows we put on either end of a line to represent it. Let us label this line with both the equations. 2y plus 3x equals 9 and 4y plus 6x equals 18.